everyone, this is Chris Rochnut24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at Zolo by Anker Liberty Plus total wireless earbuds. So it comes with a carrying case. It's about how small they are. And then we'll take a quick look at the information on the back. Okay, and now we'll open it so you can see. These are compatible with iPhone and Android. They're IPX5 sweatproof. They have a grip fit, so it just fits in the ear. Now I've tried these out for a few hours already and they're quite comfortable. And the batteries do last about 3 hours. So individually, they're that small. They already come pre-installed with an earpiece, but they have many more available inside of the kit. Right there. They do actually fit nicely in the ear. I wore them for many hours and I didn't feel like they were causing any discomfort or overheating of my ears, as some of these wireless headphones do. So this fits in the palm of your hand, and it has a battery in here to recharge the wireless headphones. And then further inside the box are all of the ear gels and other pieces for fitting. So if you have a different size ear gel that you want to try. Alright, so this is the Liberty Plus total wireless headphones. They fit nicely. I like how they come with extra ear gels. And they're IPX5 rated, so sweatproof. And the case. So see how they fit in here. Just like that. They're magnetic, so they suck into the inside and then it closes the top. This is Chris Rochnut24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.